I'm Sarnafa with NPM 2141-2008, majoring in accounting 2021. Welcome to our video presentation on economic order quantity, safety stock, and recorder point. In the dynamic world of supply chain management, optimizing inventory levels is crucial for efficiency and cost effectiveness. Economic order quantity, safety stock, and recorder point. Effective inventory management is crucial for business to meet customer demand, control costs, and maintain a healthy cash flow. Three key concepts in inventory management are economic order quantity, EAOQ, safety stock, and recorder point. These tools work together to help companies determine the optimal inventory level, minimize stock out, and streamline the ordering process. Calculating economic order quantity, AOQ. Step 1. Determine demand. Analyze historical sales data and forecast to estimate the average demand for the item offer of given period of time. Step 2. Calculate ordering costs. Identify the fixed costs associated with placing an order, such as administrative expense and transportation fees. Step 3. Estimate holding costs. Determine the cost of storing and maintaining inventory, including warehouse space, insurance, and the opportunity cost of capital. With this information, the AUOK can be calculated using the formula like this. Understanding safety stock. Defining safety stock. Safety stock refers to the additional inventory kept on hand to mitigate the risk of stock out due to fluctuation in demand or delay in supply. It acts as a buffer to ensure that customer orders can still be fulfilled even when unexpected events occur. Importance of safety stock. Maintaining the right level of safety stock is crucial for providing reliable customer service, avoiding lost sales, and preventing costly backorders. It helps companies maintain a high fill rate and avoid disruption in their supply chain. Factor affecting safety stock. The optimal levels of safety stock depend on factors such as demand variability, lead time variability, service level requirements, and the cost of carrying additional inventory. Balancing costs. Company must balance the cost of holding too much safety stock, inventory carrying costs, with the cost of not having enough stockhouse costs and loss costs. Determining safety stock levels. Statistical approach. The most common method of calculating safety stock is the statistical approach, which uses the standard deviation of demand during the lead time and desired service level to determine the optimal safety stock quantity. Intuitive approach. Some companies may use a more intuitive approach, setting safety stock levels based on Past experience, industry benchmark, or rules of thumb. This can be a practical solutions, especially for a low value or low risk items. Simulation and optimization. Advanced techniques such as simulating, modeling, and optimization algorithms can also be used to determine the most cost-effective safety stock level, taking into account a wider range of factors and considerations. Understanding record point. Definition of recorder point. The reorder point, the inventory level, which as a new order should be placed to replace stock, is designed to ensure that the company has sufficient inventory to meet the demand during the lead between time between the placing and order the receiving. The second factor influencing the reorder point. The reorder point depends on the average daily usage, the lead time for the item, and desired safety stock level. It is calculated to ensure that the safety stock is not developed before the new order arrives. Third, importance of reorder point. Determining the appropriate reorder point is crucial to prevent stock out and ensure a continuous supply of goods. It's a help companies maintain the right balance between inventory investment and customer service level. Calculating reorder point. Step 1. Determine lead time. Identify the average time between placing an order and receiving the new inventory. Step 2. Estimate daily usage. Calculating the average daily demand for the item based on historical sales data or forecast. Step 3. Set safety stock level. Determine the desired safety stock level based on the company's service level, equipment, and their availability in demand and lead time. Step 4. Calculate reorder point. The reorder point is the sum of the safety stock and the demand during the lead time. Reorder point, daily usage, lead time, safety stock. Advantage of EOK, safety stock and reorder point. Cost reduction. Applying EOK, safety stock, and reorder point principles can help companies minimize inventory carrying costs, order costs, and stock out costs, leading to improved profitability. Enhance customer service. Maintaining the right inventory levels and having a reliable reorder process can ensure that customer orders are fulfilled promptly, improving customer satisfaction and loyalty. Operational efficiency. This inventory management technique can streamline the ordering and replacement process, freeing up research and enabling company to focus on core. Data-driven decision, the analytical approach behind AOK, safety stock, and the order point calculation provides valuable insights to support data-driven decision-making in inventory management. Limitations and consideration. Assumption. The AOK, safety stock, and reorder point models make certain assumptions such as constant demand and lead time, which may not always hold true real-world scenarios. Data accuracy. The effectiveness of This technical heavily relies on the accuracy and reliability of the data used, such as demand forecast and lead time estimate. Dynamic environments in rapidly changing market conditions or volatile supply chains, the, the static models may need to be regularly reviewed and adjusted to maintain their relevance. Holistic approach. Inventory management should be considered with the broader context of the supply chains and overall business strategies, rather than solely focusing on these individual techniques. As we wrap up exploration of economic order quantity, safety stock, and reorder point, remember that mastering these inventory management principles not just about efficiency, it's about staying resilient in dynamic market by optimizing inventory levels, minimizing stock out, and maintaining a strategic buffer. Business can be achieved smoother operations, lower costs, and happier customer. Thank you for joining us, and may your supply chains always be optimized for success.